Sunday. And I had lots of surgery. Just like Honey's face, because she's so pretty. She's so pretty. I want to be pretty too. I'm going to be a Hollywood madam. Just like Honey's face. And then I'm going to get my nose to go.
Lily?
Yeah, Dad?
What is going on in here?
Nothing. I just failed plastic surgery.
What's the rule?
No plastic surgery till I'm 12.
No plastic surgery till you're 12.
Why not? You do it. Why can Daddy do it? I can't do it.
Daddy's a Hollywood doctor.
I don't care, Dad. I want to do plastic surgery too.
No.
Yes.
No.
Why did you do it? I can't. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna be Heidi Fleiss. I'm gonna be Heidi Fleiss because I'm gonna get my nose up real high. Just like Heidi Fleiss. I'm gonna get my nose up and see how Daddy likes it because I